Hello and welcome to AMR Lifestyle, the winning game to look great, feel great, and win big in life. Our channel focuses on creating valuable content to those who wish to improve their game, finances, and overall lifestyle. Our weekly video will engage you in super valuable content and will improve your thinking and attitude towards work, life, and style. For those of you who subscribe to our channel, we will offer a complimentary fitting and clothing consultation at our locations in Boston, either AMR 1 Federal or Cuffs and Collars on 9 Water Street, Boston. Please also check our website to set up appointments for custom clothing and style consultation or to find out about our latest collections available in stores and online. Your best revenge is your personal success at the end of the day. But you don't do it because you want to get back at someone. That's not the intention. The intention is to create for yourself a vision. This vision is your future, and the future is supposed to be a future where you feel great, you have everything that you need, you feel abundant, you feel gratitude towards others, and you feel whole to the point that you almost don't need any material need. But that's when the material need probably will come, because you have created it in your own head. And so in this state of mind, by locking yourself from thinking negative emotions just in general, but also if the negative emotions are coming from the outside world, from people around you that are negative or they want to hurt you, you still do not let that occur. You stay vigilant, of course, because now your flight or fight mode is being enacted, so you're responding, you're rightly responding to that threat, just like in the animal world, or if you were chased by a lion, you would have to run. So, but at the same time, you stay focused on the future. So it's like a technique. It's like an exercise. It's like learning how to do a headstand. It's like learning how to do push-ups and pull-ups. It takes practice, and it's not going to be easy at the beginning, but it's the best way known to respond to negative emotions, and also to actually change your internal senses and your negativity and your state of mind. There is no other known way but to think differently, and not allowing your negative thoughts to take control. Imagine that there are people, unfortunately, that were born in horrible conditions, and then there are people instead that were born with a silver spoon in their mouth. Now, we're not talking about financially speaking only, because there are people that were born in very accommodating and financially stable situations. However, they were still abused, or they suffered traumas. So it doesn't. I'm not talking simply financially speaking. I'm also speaking primarily. I'm speaking about emotionally. The luckiest human beings are the ones that were born in an emotional environment where it was safe, it was intelligent, they had intelligent parents that built their self-esteem from the beginning. Unfortunately, that didn't happen quite often, and those people, they are naturally inclined to have a normal emotional life. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it, but most importantly, we hope that it will contribute to your personal improvement towards your creative thinking and attitude and your overall lifestyle. Once again, for those of you who subscribe to our channel, we will offer a complimentary fitting and clothing consultation at our locations in Boston, either AMR on 1 Federal Street or Cuffs and Collars on 9 Water Street. Please also check out our website, antoinerbini.com or cuffsandcollars.com, to set up appointments for custom clothing and style consultation, or to find out about our latest collections available in stores and online. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to see you soon.